Hi everyone, we're going to go over the Procore onboarding for DoCheck today. First, let's go ahead and find DoCheck in the Procore app marketplace. Click login to install. Log into your Procore account. Then install the app by clicking install app. Then install app again, and you've successfully installed it. Next, you have to choose which projects get access to DoCheck. Click add. Now, to keep DoCheck inside of Procore, we click on create configuration. Put in DoCheck. Then you can click these two settings to allow the app to show everywhere. Title DoCheck. And you will find it now in the top right hand corner under select an app. Go to any projects where you've selected to add DoCheck to. Click on the app. You will find the DoCheck portal now inside of Procore. Next, we're going to create some DoCheck folders in Procore. So we select create, Procore. You authorize Procore so you can see the document folders you have access to. You select the folder. Click continue, and if you don't want to change any options, again submit. And this is the folder. To click on view, these are all the settings you can put on that folder. If I click on open in Procore, I can see that folder, and now it's ready to upload any PDFs.